Commander of hosts and keeper of life, the weight of your silence once pressed upon my chest, and my nephesh, my life-breath, moved like a tide wave against your shore. I waited for the first glow on the horizon, for the whisper of your ruach-wind through the folds of my tent. You heard from within the darkness. You swept the ashes from my heart and washed the dust from my hands where I hid my face. You shone your light where my steps faltered. You traced the path again in mercy. Your covenant love moved through me as oil through a lamp, feeding the flame until it brightened into joy. Now the coals of gratitude glow. Your ruach-wind breathes upon them, and a flame leaps up where tears once fell. This is my offering, the nephesh you restore, a living breath poured out before you. Teach me to keep this fire tended, to feed it with kindness and guard it with shalom. Night comes, yet I will not fear. Under the shadow of your wing I rest. The lamp burns low, the winds are hushed. My heart lies quiet in your shelter, for your covenant encircles me thicker than the walls of my tent. But when morning finds the gates of the city crying out, I will rise to stand among the watchmen. Let justice roll through the gates, oh Yahweh. Let truth shine like a plumb line in the dust, and righteousness weigh the hearts of men. Break the power of deceit with mercy, and teach my own mouth to speak what is clean. The earth joins the cry and the praise together. Your ruach-wind moves through galaxies and grains of sand alike. Mountains bow their stone heads, rivers lift their hands. Every living being breathes your song. Teach me to join their chorus, to let knowledge become reverence, and reverence bloom into love. Rebuild, O builder of generations. Lift the fallen stones of Zion. Lay again the foundation of covenant love. Gather the scattered into one dwelling. Make our hearts your city, and our unity its shining wall. Breathe through these ruins until hope rises like light from thee. Keep my feet upon your Torah way. Let faith be the staff in my hand, and virtue the sandals on my feet. Guide me by the lamp of your word. When pride would run ahead, call me back with your ruach-wind. I would rather walk slowly with shalom than run swiftly with unrest. The dawn climbs higher, voices of your covenant, loyal ones, echo through the hills. Each step is faith in motion, each breath a promise of home. Lift my eyes beyond the ridges to the city of your dwelling. Strengthen me with hope as bread for the road. Behold, the anointed reigns from Zion. His crown, His covenant love, His scepter firm truth, His throne unshaken through every generation. Let mountains bring forth peace for the people. Let righteousness spring up like wheat. All who walk in His light find rest beneath His wings. And now the song rises beyond walls and time. The heavens declare your glory, O Yahweh. The earth echoes your wisdom. The nations lift their hands in wonder. Your ruach-wind fills the worlds with living breath, and every heart beats to your name. Hallelu-Yah. To you belong the dust and the dawn, the seed and the fruit, the path and the glory. Let every nephesh praise you. Let every ruach-wind bear your sound. From the tents of the weary to the courts of heaven, from the whisper of the heart to the thunder of creation, all cry